Hello students, welcome to math class. For the next video of topic graphs. In graphs, already we have done introduction of graphs and related terms, plotting a point on graph, and today we will do plotting of a linear equation in two variables graphically. Students, first we will repeat the steps to draw a graph of a linear equation in two variables. Step 1. Draw the coordinate axes and mark off equal distances on these axes. Draw x-axis, y-axis and mark equal distances on these axes and mark quadrant also. One quadrant, second, third and fourth, and their signs related to quadrant also. Step 2. Assign any three suitable values to x. Yes, now we will assign any three values of x, and after substitute these value of x in an equation, we will get the values of y. By substitution the value of x in given equation, find the value of y. And at last, plot these 3 points on a graph and join all points by a straight line. Let's understand with the example. Draw the graph of equation x plus 3y is equal to 4. In this equation, students, both variables are on one side and constant is on another side. Now we will shift one variable term to other side to find out the value of single variable. Shift 3y to another side to find out the value of single variable, and in this sum we will assume the value of y and substitute the value of y in the equation, and we will find the value of x. After shifting, plus shifted to minus, and it will become x is equal to 4 minus 3y. Now we will assume the values of y as minus 1, 0, 1. Now first put y is equal to minus 1. 4 minus 3 multiply y. 4 minus 3 multiply y is equal to minus 1. Now minus 3 multiply minus 1. It is plus 3. So 4 plus 3, 7. So coordinates are x, 7, y, minus 1. Now put y is equal to 0. X is equal to 4 minus 3y. 4 minus 3 multiply 0. 3 multiply 0, 0. So 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. So coordinates are 4, 0. Now last, put y is equal to 1. X is equal to 4 minus 3 multiply y. 4 minus 3 multiply 1. 3 ones are 3. So 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. So coordinates are 1, 1. So students, we have three ordered pairs: 7, minus 1, 4, 0, 1, 1. Now we will plot these 3 points on graph. Yes students, on graph sheet, draw x-axis, y-axis and mark off equal distance on the 4 sides. This positive, minus, then again above region positive values and below region negative values. And we will write scale 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Difference from all sides is 1 centimeter, and we are writing the table of 1. So scale is equal to 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit along both axes. And right now quadrants, first quadrant, second quadrant, third and fourth along with their signs. Now we will plot the points. We have 3 points. First is 7 minus 1. X is 7 and y coordinate is minus 1. So it is plus minus. So it lies in fourth quadrant. 7 units of x and minus 1 unit of y. So it lies here, and name it as A7 minus 1. Next, 4, 0. X coordinate 4, y coordinate 0 means ordinate is 0. And if ordinate is 0, the point lies on x-axis. So 4 units plus 4, 4 units on x-axis and 0 unit of y-axis. So it will lies on x-axis and name it as B40. Next C11. X coordinate 1 and y coordinate also 1. Both are positive. So it lies in first quadrant. X coordinate 1, y coordinate 1. This one point and name it as C11. Now we have plotted A, B, C 3 points and join it with the help of scale. After joining these 3 points, this is a straight line. Now we will learn other types of graphs. This is draw the graph of the equation x is equal to 4. In this type, students, here for each value of y, we have x is equal to 4. Whatever the value you will assume for y, but the value of x will remain same. Like if we are assuming the value of y is -1, 0, 1. But the value of x is 4, 4, 4. So coordinates are 4, -1, 4, 0, 4, 1. And now we will plot these 3 points on graph sheet. See students, this is a graph sheet, x-axis, y-axis and mark of the equal distances from all sides. And this is a scale, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit along both axes. Now first point is 4 minus 1. It lies in which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. Positive, negative. So students, x 4 units of x and -1 units of y. So we will name it as A4 minus 1. Next is 4, 0. x4, y0. So it means it will lies on x-axis, x4, y0, B4, 0. Now C4, 1 lies in first quadrant, 4 units of x and +1 units of y. C4, 1. Now see students, we have plotted 3 points of this graph and now we will join with the help of scale. See students, we will draw one straight line by joining this point, and what you are observing, this is a straight line A, B, C, and students, the graph of x is equal to 4 is a straight line parallel to y-axis. Yes, this line, this graph x is equal to 4 is parallel to y-axis. Let's do one more example. Draw the graph of equation y is equal to -5. Now students, here for each value of x, we have y is equal to -5. Whatever the value you will assume for x, but the value of y will remain same. Now we are assuming the value of x as 0, 1, 2. But value of y is -5, -5, -5. So coordinates are 0, -5, 1, -5 and 2, -5. Now we will plot these 3 points on graph sheet. Yes student, this is a graph sheet. X-axis, y-axis, equal distances, mark of the numbers and write scale 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit on both axes and write quadrants along with their signs. Now first is 0 minus 5. Abscissa is 0, so it means it lies on y-axis. 0 minus 5 unit of y-axis. So we will move down. This is -5 and we will mark here and name it as A0 minus 5. Next is 1 minus 5. X coordinate plus 1, y coordinate minus 5, plus minus. So it means it lies in fourth quadrant. 1 unit of x and minus 5 unit of y. So it will lie here and name it as B1 minus 5. Next, C 2 minus 5. Yes, again it is x coordinate plus and y coordinate negative. So it will lie in 2 units of x and 5 units of y. 2 units of x. It will lie at this point. And C 2 minus 5. These are 3 points, and now we will join these 3 points with the help of scale. Now students, we will join these 3 points, and this is a straight line of graph y is equal to minus 5, and the graph of y is equal to minus 5 is a straight line parallel to its axis. Students, today we have learnt about plotting of a linear equation in two variables graphically, and I hope now you will be able to solve the sums that we have sent in Snap Homework. Have a nice day.